Are you ready?
Perfect!
Oh, wow!
Okay lo. Hi.
Ready?
Mommy, wake up. Look what I made.
Huh?
What is this? Can you tell me?
I think I made a mistake.
What did you do? I mean, are you nuts? Go away. Oh, I'm so tired.
Oh no, Mommy will hit me.
How can Kitten be so immature? How dare she cut my long, beautiful hair? This sweater, oh, Kitten made for me.
Oh no, where I am.
Oh my god!
Oh, I forget about Kitten is outside at late night.
Hey child, are you alone? Your mommy call you, let's go with me.
Where are you, Kitten? I'm sorry. Stay away from him.
Huh?
I'm sorry, I'm very bad mother. I don't even care about you.
Sorry.
First, you will never come alone outside alone.
Promise me.
Yes!
Mom took so much time.
Am I looking nice?
Yeah, Mom, after I made this sweater.
Yes, I'm looking pretty because I'm natural beauty.